When the camera origin is moving, but the resultant VP1 is not changing, we want to make some type of border signifier, as signified by this red region on the left of the screen. This render is not quite correct, but let's go over the code because we've already made enough changes. Float 2 in the shader source 5 right here. We have the camera stress feedback. We have the magnitudes of the different cam wall entries here. Some notes on what those variables mean. We have the different percentages for how big the border should be on the respective left, top, right, and bottom edges. We need to figure out how big in pixels those different edges can be. We're going to make those edges no bigger than half of the screen on the X and Y axis. Then we are going to make the calculations here. We're going to convert those percentages to actual pixel values, and we're going to anchor to the respective sides of the screen to get the final marking points for how we're going to know whether or not to tint the pixels on the edges of the screen. Down here, we have changed this UAll flag to be either 1, 2, 3, or 4, so that down here in the monochrome stress section, we can tint either monochrome red, green, blue, or black and white. Here's what we did previously. Here's a whole bunch of footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. You have been on this playlist. You can go to this playlist for me to describe things in more detail. This has been video 124. Like and subscribe.